Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the server or exiting single player so settings won't be ignored. This prevents corruption. Once done, navigate to the shooter game /saved/config/Windows Server folder or the equivalent on your host and open game. Make a backup copy named game. Back before any changes. This saves you if something breaks. This step avoids downtime and lets you experiment safely. Now that the file is backed up, prepare to add or edit the tether distance parameter in the next step. Open game, in a plain text editor and find the /script/shooter game. Shooter game mode section, if missing, create it at the file's end. Then add the tether parameter line with a numeric multiplier. For example, tether distance multiplier equals 1, 5 to increase reach by 50%. Make sure syntax matches other entries. No extra spaces, proper equals sign, and no stray quotes. Save the file in UTF-8 and double-check bracket placement. Once saved, you're ready to restart the server to apply the change. After saving, restart the server or fully reload the map to force Ark to read the updated game. Simple admin reloads may not apply config edits. Then test in-game by tethering a creature or using the mechanic you modified. Observe the new maximum range and behavior. If something is off, immediately stop the server, restore game. Back and try a lower multiplier or recheck syntax. Mistyped keys prevent loading. That single troubleshooting tip, restore the backup, gets you back online fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.